Hi there.
And then we got one down there. I need an
Putting your dad to
cord.
work. He said he didn't have anything to do, so he wanted to do this today.
That's totally 100% true.
That's right. I remember Murphy. I remember you. I just forgot Murphy's name.
It's Murphy. It's the middle name, Murphy Murphy.
Good
Well,
boy.
dummy.
No, I'm not going to drill you.
So one of the other faults on there too could be the air filter on it, but I thought the air filter was clean.
Ow, that's hot. It's like you drove all the way down here
I know, it's
already.
Hold on. This is clean.
Yeah.
No-ish.
Can't get you much looser than that.
Alright, in my defense, it should have been clean.
There it goes, okay. All right. 13 millimeter. Murphy.
What's up, buddy?
Murphy.
It's a little dirty in there.
Yeah, there's a vacuum over there.
I was just gonna say, good job back. Hi. This little one over here?
Yeah, and then there's an extension cord right there. All right, 10. Whoopsie, don't lose that.
Hey, you know what's awesome?
Wow. So weird.
That is true, Kennedy. Hot radiator hose.
There's a chance it could be hot.
It is. It's very, very warm, as a matter of fact. Get on it. There you go. I got to get.
Your dad's super weird. Did you know that?
No,
Super weird.
Daddy, really?
Yo,
What's wrong with him? He's my boyfriend. Daddy, you're funny to get out.
I know.
I saw it.
That's cool. There we go. All right. I got you the Hitachi. That didn't click very well.
That's because you did this, you dumbass.
There it went. Got you that time. Okay. Get back down. Oh, I got to get that old gasket out of there. I should have done that first, too. Oops.
You probably should do that first.
All right. Okay. Oh,
Right?
I'm out of there. Oh, man, that hose is hot. You'd think I'd learn by now to stop touching it.
I think you said earlier it was hot.
Here, probably could have reused that, but...
Well,
forgot at that time. Oh, I had it for a flat second.
You started bragging, and look what happened.
There. Now I just need one screw to hold. Hold. Alright. That one started.
It's on.
This goes like this, I believe. Yeah.
Damn, those are hot.
Yeah. You don't say. You don't say.
Those to break into cars?
Yeah. Let's see. All right, we'll revisit that. All right. Now I got this
So
brake.
essentially, the acceleration and the lull in acceleration is just because the door is fouled?
Ah, well, I don't know. I never diagnosed it. I'm taking you at your word.
That's the only other one that could be other than a sensor.
Well, the sensor's on it,
Yeah, I was gonna say,
so you'd have to replace it anyway. That did not go into anything.
And I did not get a code. So
There we go.
we get the lightning bolt.
All right, where's my... that on my phone, what that's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be inch-pounds of some sort.
Inch-pounds?
50 to 62 inch-pounds. Okay, now I gotta get the 13 millimeter back in over here. Got you started now.
Better?
Yeah. I guess it might have helped if it was going the right direction.
That could be a reason.
That could have been the reason why. Oh well. Live and learn.
Measure once, cut twice.
Live and learn, Todd. Live and learn.
Reverse order, right?
Yeah.
That one. You'd be able to get to it there, right?
Yeah, it's turned the right way. Just gotta get it on the throttle body here. I gotta get my hand on a spot that will allow such things to occur. That feels right, and then this like that. Just double check, make sure that's on there. Oops, it feels like it. Okay. I think you're ready to start it up.
Does it have to do a reset?
Well, there is I can do like an electronic relearn, but it also says that it will relearn on its own through several drive cycles. So just start it up and see what it does, because I may have to get my code reader out anyway if that thing's still on the dash.
It only does. The lightning bolt only comes on when during the acceleration process. It doesn't stay on.
Give it some gas. I'll go grab my code reader here real quick just to see.
Okay.
Oh. Is that your port? Yeah, that is your port. Oh man. It's just dangling here. Not that.
I don't like to brag, but I'm gonna brag.
I wouldn't brag about dangling OBD2 ports. I wouldn't brag about dangling OBD2 ports. Okay, yeah, you're good. You're good. It did have codes.
It did have
and
codes?
and they're still in there, but it's a Dodge, so it has to go through drive cycles in order to.
Okay.
So that's what Eric's had to do too. It won't let me clear them,
Okay.
but they'll clear themselves as you drive it. So.
On.
So other than that, you're all good, man.
Take it for a quick spin.
All right.
You ride?
I can.
Well, you got Kennedy here.
Oh yeah, Kennedy's here. But yeah.
I'll take a quick drive.
All right, I'll be here.
I'll be right back.